Fishy friends, welcome on another Fishy Friday here at Bart's Fish Tales. Welcome to Japan. I'm here in Shiogama. And actually this is a place with history. It was the year 2011 when this disaster of the tsunami took place right here. But that's the reason they built this brand new, beautiful fish market. And this fish market is well known for a tuna fishery. And I'm really proud to celebrate the certification, the MSC certification for this tuna right here in Japan as the very first one. And we're going to celebrate it with a really traditional Japanese dish, which will be steamed rice and marinated tuna. So we've pre-cooked the rice. That was actually step number one. Then we're going to use the tuna. We're going to marinate the tuna in a typical Japanese marinade. And therefore we need 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of mirin, which will give a sweet taste, and then really nice 1 tablespoon of sake, local sake here from Shiogama, this area. Okay, so another tablespoon, but this time sake. I mix this well. Perfect. So this is the marinade, and we're going to marinate the fish into this mixture. And talking about the fish, this is our today's hero. It's albacore tuna, and it's one of those 2 species which are landed right here. Well, they've been caught in deep water seas, but they are landed right here. And this is the first tuna fishery in Japan certified by the Marine Stewardship Council, the MSC. And why it's so sustainable? It's because this fish has been caught by pole and line. Well, it's 1 man, 1 pole, 1 hook, and 1 fish. A very responsible way of fishing. Okay, so now it's time to cut the fish into sashimi slices and to marinate it in this mixture. So I'm slicing the tuna into like sashimi style. It's maybe 1 centimeter thick. Okay, so we have cut the fish into sashimi. We're going to marinate it, but not over 30 seconds, maybe the most 1 minute. So therefore first I'm going to prep my bowl with rice, with the pre-cooked rice. I top it off with some nori, and actually I slice it really fine. Yeah, okay, so now I'm going to marinate the fish. So now we're going to dress the bowl. So now we top it off with some roasted white sesame seeds. Beautiful. And I've got a scallion, a spring onion, which I'm going to chop fine. Guys, time for a taste. A bit of the rice, the marinated tuna, sesame seeds, spring onion. This is really fresh, guys. It's so good. Your rice and then the fish. Actually, you really taste the true flavor of the seafood, and it's just marinated, just this touch of this mixture of soy, mirin and sake, and the freshness, the crunchiness, the sesame seeds, a bit nutty flavor, and then the spring onion. An amazing but simple dish made with sustainable tuna here from Japan. If you have any comments, any questions, leave them in the box down below. Don't forget to subscribe, and hope to see you soon back on another Fishy Friday.